Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card to participate in the Spring Summer Coffee Lovers Blog Hub. It's until tomorrow at 6 Pacific time. And just color grass in distress oxide inks, and now I'm going to do the technique with the stencil that it look like clouds. I already cut, stamp and cut these two pieces, but I'm going to take out the white part as you see here. Now I cut grass also, and I'm going to glue the grass, but before that I'm going to cut between the knight hands. He have a flower before, now I want to add a mug full of coffee to give to the princess. Right now I'm going to glue the grass, and after that I'm going to start adding some details. um, Sorry, no, I'm going to make some letters that are going to say my hero, because when your husband bring the coffee to your bed, you feel like hero. In my case, they're going to bring me tea. I am more a tea drinker than a coffee, but my husband love his coffee. The letters are going to be in ombre effect in blue, because I'm going to put them in the sky, but you can add any color that you may like. Because this is a spring summer, I suggest to add flowers in the grass. I didn't do it because I was looking for a small flower stamp, and I couldn't find any to fit the card the way I like it. To glue the letters, I'm going to trace two lines very lightly, because I'm going to erase them later. And then I'm going to glue the letters down. I don't going I hold myself not to add glitter to the letters, but I think it will be good to they're going to look cuter. I believe so. Well, everything with glitter look cuter. After that, I'm going to glue the card to a pattern paper. This one is like light blue with tiny tiny dots everywhere, and I glue it there to leave them a little frame. That way it made the complete A2 size card. And after that I'm going to make my card base. The card base is going to be open to the sides, not from the bottom to the top. I decided to change a little bit the format. No big deal. And I'm just going to glue my card panel down. After that, I'm going to make details. I'm going to add glitter to the crown. Of course, I will erase the pencil marks. And I'm going to add glitter to the crown. And I'm going to add glitter to the blade of the sword. Also going to add glossy accents to the coffee, the crown, and the blade of the sword. And I'm going to add little tiny red beads to the crown. In the details of the card, you will see in the last pictures I add hearts, which you can decide if you like the card better with hearts or without hearts. I like it better with the hearts, for that I add them, but I just take the pictures. I didn't do it in video, sorry about that. I also going to add little details everywhere with the white gel pen. I add polka dots in the mug. And also add some shadows or little highlights with the white gel pen in the images and in the grass. I also going to grab the irresistible Pico embellisher in black, and I'm going to add it to the knight in the part that have like little nails or matches. I don't know how they are called. And I also going to add to the eyes of the knights and the princess. You see there, I'm gluing just the three little red beads, and I'm going to add a little bit of highlight in the coffee with the white gel pen. Well, this is my card for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video. Right now I'm going to do the raffle, and just 2 people left comments. Is for that I'm going to do the raffle just with 2 people. As you see here, I'm wrapping the names and I'm going to put them in a bag. And then I will check the bag for a little bit and take out a name. And the name of the winner was Nikki Crafty Corner. Well, Nikki, contact with me, please. Thank you for watching. Bye.